what's up? I'm back at y'all again with another video. I'm so sorry. It's been a minute since I did a video, and I am back for, I don't know, just back. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Also, if you always come by, thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love. I really, really appreciate it. Today, I have my Mason. Hi. Okay, so he having a Happy Meal. He has nuggets and fries. We got apple slices and soda and a toy. I have sushi. I have a sushi, California roll, tempura roll, and I have crab spicy roll, something like that. And this right here is called the bomb. The bomb has, I think, the shrimp tempura, it has the imitation crab, it has avocado, and I had it before and I loved it, so I decided to do it again. I got some sauces over here that I have never tried. I don't get on me because I forgot the name of each and every last one of these sauces, y'all. How y'all doing?
How you doing?
Say how you doing?
How you doing?
Okay. All right. We just got in. Well, you see that was on my arm. So I'm going to put some of this soy sauce on each one of my rolls. One of these are soy sauce. I don't know. Let me see. This is soy sauce, so I don't really have to do that. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and take, he didn't put any of this on there. I'm going to put some of this right here inside my soy sauce, because that's how I like it, y'all. That's how I like it. Excuse me. I had to put my hand up in the bun. Of course. It's raining and all that, so. I put a lot in here. I don't want it to be like that. What you looking at, Mason? Trying to see what I'm doing?
Yeah, I see you do.
Put this over here. Alright, so you know I'm going to go for one of the bomb first. Oh. We didn't say prayer.
Yeah.
Are you going to say the prayer? Put the nugget down. We got to say it. Wait a minute, hold up. You going to say the prayer?
I want to say between.
Okay, say the prayer. We're going to say the prayer. Alright? Alright, go ahead.
I don't hear it.
You don't hear it because you got to speak up. You pig. Okay, look. Are you going to say the prayer or you want me to say it?
You say.
Okay, God is great. God is good. Let us thank you for this food. Amen. Say amen.
Amen.
All right. Come on. Now we can go ahead and eat. You can eat. All right. I'm gonna go for the bomb. Whoa.
I'm going second again.
Okay. All right. Here, you guys can have the first bite. You give me some?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm going to dip it in my little... There you go. That is good, Mason.
Yeah.
How you know? You know that?
Yeah. You only give my happiness.
You want one? You like these.
A baby?
Which one you want? You want one of these or which one?
I want this one.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now I'm going to go for the California roll. Let's go.
I'm going to eat it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah. Like this one is my foil. Like this.
Hey, my sugar wuggers over there. You say hi to the sugar wugger.
Hi, Suga.
Yep. Now, this is the crab. spicy crab. Mmm.
I would take that one.
What? You got to eat up. And the nuggets.
Okay. The spicy.
Y'all, this is good. Let me show y'all one of these up close. Okay? There y'all go. Look at that.
They're like mine.
You want to do yours? Oh, Lord. Hold up. Let's show him. He want there's nuggets, y'all. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. But this right here, the bomb, is good. Now, I don't know what this sauce is right here. If you know that, if you look at it and you know it, comment below and tell me what it is. What it could be. But I'm going to try it with this. I hope I like it. I don't know. It's good, y'all. It's good.
Let's go, y'all.
Y'all see me?
Is she ready?
It's good. Oh, y'all, I got my Pepsi.
And
Sprite.
Sprite.
Can you burp? Because I needed it. Excuse me. Excuse me. I see. Eat it. It's good.
Yeah, it's happy.
Well, let me see what this is. I don't know what this is. I think this might be teriyaki. But I'll just dip some of that in there. Whoa, no, no, no. It's too much. I'm going to eat it anyway. There's some of that. It's good. It's good. Y'all. Shrimp to pearl. The other sauces is good. I didn't try this one yet. I'm gonna try this one.
And that's it. I didn't see that way. Why put it all there?
What?
Yeah. I put it all these. I put it all these first.
Good. I wanted them.
And well, all them.
All of them. I did. Good. You like it?
That's a word.
You like it?
Yeah.
Is that the same one you had? Why you take that out? It fell out?
Yeah, it fell.
Oh, okay.
Wood. These wood.
What?
These were not fell out. Wood. Kiki shy.
You got gas for food.
That like mine. That
What a combination you got.
I think you want me sushi.
That's a nugget. That's sushi.
That's the all sushi one.
Yeah.
I see sushi one,
Yeah. Good. I've been craving sushi. I'm gonna try this. I don't know. Look, do the same thing, y'all. If y'all know what that is, let me know. He told me, but I forgot. I don't know. But I don't care for it too much. You taking it apart? You excited? You excited? You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I tried with a pie.
Y'all, that Pepsi, you know what I'm about to say. It hit ya. It hit ya. Woo! Hey y'all. I waited so long to eat. Now you know what's happening, right? Ooh, 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 ooh.
With mice.
What? That one, Wait a minute, so, hold on, you see me thinking, y'all? So, you had two of them, didn't you? Because you taking everything out of it.
Yeah.
You're supposed to eat it all. Like this, you're supposed to eat it.
Like this? I do.
Don't play with it. Don't see that. Bite it. Bite that.
Okay.
What? What happened? Why you ain't bite it?
I don't got
You know what?
No.
Don't see that.
That's kind of sour.
It ain't sour. Don't put your fingers on that. I'm gonna eat that because you about to put your fingers on it. Give me that.
But you got
What? Mm-hmm.
These.
Mm-hmm.
These cookies.
Mm-hmm. He loves rice, though. Why are you yelling? Why are you yelling?
Huh?
Why are you yelling? But look.
Huh?
Oh, yeah. He loves rice, y'all. So, of course, he's going to eat the rice off of the sushi. Whew.
What's rice on sushi?
Mm-hmm.
And tiger?
Ah. Ah. Excuse me.
Sushi!
Y'all, this is a lot of sushi. It's a lot of sushi. Hi, y'all.
Hiya!
It's a lot of sushi.
Is rice sushi?
Yeah, it's a lot of sushi. Ooh, 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 ooh. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm-hmm.
I do like foods.
Huh?
I do like foods. You gotta
Eat this. Eat that.
But I want to eat mine. What is French fries?
You don't want to try that.
I'm going to get you making French fries.
Okay. You giving them a French fry?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do apple.
Hmm?
Apple. What's white on me?
I'm gonna take a break, y'all.
I
You want to show the Sugar Wugas what kind of toy you got?
Yeah.
Okay. What is that?
I don't know, Mommy. It's a dinosaur.
Stuff I always got to figure out, y'all.
Too bad.
Let me see. Right there. Oh, let's show. I'm gonna show him up close. This is what he got in his Happy Meal. Look at that. And these go in here. Look, hold up. It goes in here somewhere. And then you what? You push. Let's push the button. You see that?
I see.
That's the toy he got in his Happy Meal, Sugar Wugas. Huh? You gotta push that.
Oh, still?
Oh, see?
That's a too. I like that too.
Oh.
Oh!
Alright, wait a minute. Alright. Eat some food. We had to have some little bit of excitement with his little Happy Meal, y'all. All right, we're going to go get it. But eat one of your nuggets. Come on.
Okay.
And I'm going to eat.
What?
I know. I'm going to eat one more of these, you guys. Wait a minute, Mason. Wait a minute.
I feel like that should
What are you talking about, boy? Wait a minute. You gotta eat some of that nugget. I'm telling him to eat. I'm full, y'all. You full?
I baby that fall.
You full.
Yeah, you're full.
Mm-hmm. All right, y'all. Okay, look. Y'all, I done had enough. I think I ate enough. You know.
I think you ate enough.
Yeah, you had 6 nuggets.
Okay.
Okay, my sugar boys, I'm about to let you go if you already didn't let us go. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, comment, share, tell everybody what I'm doing over here on this channel. Show Sugar Mama some love, y'all. But you know what? We gotta give the Sugar Wugas a great big hug. You ready to give them a hug?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give you a hug. This is from you. This is for you and for us. So, See y'all on my next video.